Good morning, student. In the last video, you have learned how to convert carboxylic acid from lower member to higher member. Now we will discuss about the conversion of organic chemistry, in which compounds containing less number of carbon to more number of carbon. So most important is step up series. Step up series. Suppose we are studying from this compound. This is R single bond NH2. This is amine. As we are seeing that there is only one alkyl group and there is no more carbon, and we require to increase the number of carbon. So what steps we have to follow? First of all, this amine should be converted into alcohol by the reaction of nitrous acid HNO2. As we know that when any amine, primary amine react with HNO2, nitrous acid, so this amine group will be converted into alcohol group. This is the preparation of alcohol. You have studied in the alcohol chapter this. So alcohol will form. Apart this alcohol, nitrogen gas and water will evolve. You should not write, it is not compulsory to write the byproduct. If you want to write, you can write here by using the negative sign. When you find the alcohol, you have to convert it into halides by using PCl5, phosphorus and iodine, or any other reagent like SOCl2. I am taking here SOCl2 because it is the best method. SOCl2, thionyl chloride. But on reaction, this OH will be converted into chloride. That's so you will get R single bond Cl. Why we are preparing this? This is the important step, because in the next step you are seeing here only one R. In the next step you will get one carbon. So if you want to increase the carbon in any conversion, so what you have to do, compound should be converted into halide form. Now we will use potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide, anyone you can take. So this Cl will be replaced, substituted by the cyanide group, and you will get R single bond Cn. You can write like this also, I single bond C triple bond N. This is structure. So you are seeing here that there is no more carbon, but in this compound you are getting one carbon, one more carbon. So dear student, this is the important step and how you will get from the alcohol. You have not to jump any step. You think that you can directly convert to this. If you will write NH2 directly SOCl2, so you will not get this one. First you have to convert amine into alcohol, then alcohol into halide, then halide to cyanide. Then we have to go where we want to go. Suppose you want to form amine, right? One amine to another amine of one more carbon. So now we have to do reduction. In this reduction you can use 4H, 4 hydrogen atom, by using any reagent like LiAlH4, or 2H2 you can write by using nickel catalyst, nickel. So complete reduction of this will be, you will get R single bond CH2 single bond NH2. How this will be formed? Here, see here, there are triple bond here. In the complete reduction, these triple bond will be converted into single bond. These two bonds will be removed. So carbon will open two bonds. Two hydrogens will be attached here and two hydrogen will be attached here. In this way you will get this one. So from one amine to another amine of one more carbon you can get. If you want to alcohol, so you have to start from here. Or if you want to convert one amine to next alcohol, so one more time you have to do HNO2. So what will be happened? R single bond CH2 and OH. As you know, when nitrous acid react with primary amine, you will get alcohol. So now I am writing one example. Suppose you want to convert methylamine to ethylamine. Methylamine to ethylamine, or methenamine to ethenamine. So methylamine, that is CH3 single bond NH2. There is one carbon here and you have to convert into two carbons. So first of all we have to convert into alcohol by using HNO2. So you will get CH3 single bond OH. Now you have to change into halide. By using P plus I2 we can convert into iodide. So you will find CH3I. Now with KCN, so cyanide will form CH3 single bond Cn. Now what we have to do? Reduction. On reduction it will form CH3 CH2 NH2. So this is methylamine, that is methenamine, and this is ethenamine. Suppose you want to convert methanol to ethanol or methyl alcohol to ethyl alcohol. So you have to start the series from here. So what we have to do? CH3OH. I am having already alcohol, so no need to do in this time this reaction HNO2. When we will do the reaction with HNO2? When amine is given to you. So PCl5 I am taking here. So this OH will be converted into Cl. So CH3 single bond Cl. Now I am taking this time NaCN. So what will be formed? CH3 single bond Cl. Next step, we have to convert into amine. So reduction. On reduction you will get CH3 CH2 NH2. As we know, from amine we can easily convert into alcohol in one step by using HNO2. So you will get CH3 CH2 OH. Keep in your mind, conversion of organic chemistry can be taken so many methods, but the best method will be that only which required less number of steps. So I am giving you another example. Suppose you want to convert methylamine to acetic acid. Methylamine to acetic acid. So CH3 NH2. Methylamine contain only one carbon, but acetic acid having two carbons. So we have to increase the carbon. If it required to increase the carbon, what we have to do? We have to do the reaction with KCN and halide. So we have to convert into halide. How you will go to the halide? First we convert into alcohol, CH3OH. Then I am taking P plus I2 in this time. So CH3I. In the next step, ACN. So carbon will increase. CH3CN. We have to found acetic acid from cyanide, there is a single step reaction to convert into carboxylic acid by the acidic hydrolysis. On reaction with water, in presence of acid or base, you can say, it will get CH3COOH. Dear student, this is the step up mechanism, step up series. If you want to decrease the number of carbon, so how you will do? Suppose here we are taking methylamine to ethylamine, or methanol to ethanol, or methylamine to acetic acid. You can do other example also. But if you want to do the ethylamine to methylamine, that means you want to decrease the carbon. So now we are moving towards the step down series or descent series, you can say, in which one carbon will decrease, step down series. Suppose we are taking R single bond CH2, single bond CH2, single bond NH2. This is a amine containing 2 carbon and 1 alkyl group. We required 1 less carbon, that means 1 carbon and 1 alkyl group. What we have to do, first we have to convert into alcohol by using HNO2. So you will get R single bond CH2, single bond CH2, single bond OH. Then what we will do? Oxidation. As we know, when we oxidize any alcohol in presence of dilute H2SO4 or in potassium dichromate or any other oxidizing agent, so aldehyde will form. So you will get R single bond CH2, single bond CHO. In the next step, we have to do again oxidation. So you will get carboxylic acid RCH2 COOH. These 2 types of oxidation you can write in one step also by using 2O here, and alcohol will be converted directly to carboxylic acid. I have written because so many times maybe aldehyde you want to prepare. Next step, we react with ammonia and heat. So this is the important reaction of carboxylic acid, in which ammonia react with carboxylic acid. So amide will form R single bond CH2, single bond CO NH2. Here one step, 2 carbon, here also 2 carbon, 2 carbon and 2 carbon. But next step is most important step, in which carbon is going to decrease. This is the Hofmann bromamide reaction. When we react with this amide with bromine and any base like KOH or NaOH, so amine will form with 1 less carbon. That means you will get RCH2 NH2. Here other products, what will be the other product if we write the full reaction? So K2CO3, KBr and H2O will also form, but there will be no need to write during the conversion. Here we are writing Br2KOH. You can also write here in, if you have short time, Hofmann bromamide reaction. What will be happen? This CO will be converted to the carbonate, and in this way one amine, primary amine, will with less number of carbon. Here we are seeing 2 carbon and here only 1 carbon we will get. By this conversion we can also do the carboxylic acid step down series. Suppose you want to prepare propanoic acid to ethanoic acid. Okay, propanoic acid having 3 carbon and 3 carbon carboxylic acid to you want to convert 2 carbon carboxylic acid. CH3, CH2, COOH. As we are seeing, having already COOH group, and we need to decrease one carbon, so directly I have to do the reaction with NH3 and heat. So NH3 heat, so you will get CH3, CH2, CONH2, amide will form, and from amide we can decrease the carbon by using half-man bromamide Br2 KOH. So you will get amine CH3, CH2, NH2. Keep in your mind, there are 3 carbon here, we have to take a 2 carbon. Don't do mistake. If you will write here CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2, then it will be wrong again. Now we will convert into alcohol by using HNO2. So CH3, CH2, OH, and then oxidize 2 times. So CH3, COOH you will get. So you are seeing that there are propanoic acid and ethanoic acid. There are 3 carbon here and 2 carbon. So I think you can understand both the type of series on increasing of number of carbon in organic compounds and decreasing the number of carbon in organic compound. This will be helpful when the series of, like, suppose in so many competitions you will see that here something is written here capital A, what is the meaning of A, then B, then C. If you are knowing the series, then you can identify the final product easily. In the next lecture we will discuss about the aromatic conversion, like benzene to benzoic acid or any other. Thank you. Have a nice day.